contamination detected in Marsh Creek in Picton. Municipality issued a public notice Tuesday after a problem was identified and then quickly contained. Yesterday, they persisted with inflow into Marsh Creek. More details in a picture of the affected area in our online story at inquinty.ca. They're still advising people to keep their pets away from it. Russia's defense ministry is reporting that air defense has shot down 347 Ukrainian drones overnight. Tonight, Montreal and Minnesota, that series best of 5 currently tied at 1 game apiece. Crushing the Timberwolves 133-95 to tie it up at 1 game apiece. Tonight, Cleveland.
Facts. What makes a great Canadian? It's mowing your front lawn, plus your neighbors as well. Just because. And during Leon's Great Canadian Super Sale, your Great Canadian-ness is rewarded with huge savings. Like 50% off the Flip It 3-in-1 Sofa with detachable shades ottoman, only $9.99. And 50% off the Sealy Artemis Luxury Bird Queen Mattress, only $7.99. Plus, look for kids, price tags throughout the store, and save even more. Leon's Great Canadian Super Sale is on now. Visit Leon's or Leon's.ca. Leon's, that's comfortable.
Beyond the headlines with Paul Martin, brought to you by Inquinty.ca. It's your trusted source for local information, entertainment, and more. Inquinty.ca. What you need to know.
Sometimes perspective is as easy to obtain as your latest arrest report. We've now had 2 shocking examples over the past few days of the biggest problem faced by police and citizens of the friendly city. In Belleville on Tuesday, 17-year-old teens from Hamilton and Curtis were arrested following an altercation on Front Street. Police using a loaded 9mm handgun, 72 grams of fentanyl, and cocaine. Last Thursday, Belleville police arrested 3 people in the East End on charges, which included possession of cocaine for the purpose of trafficking. One of those 3 is a 37-year-old Toronto man wanted on an outstanding warrant on a charge of first-degree murder. When they conducted a citywide survey for their strategic, dozens like it from the past few months alone show that drugs are the #1 problem we face. The past 7 days alone, multiple people from outside our community were arrested in Belleville in connection with enough fentanyl and cocaine to cause many deaths. One of the suspects brought a loaded into the city. One man from Toronto was already wanted in connection with another person's death. Homelessness is a complex issue with many layers, but we must also remember that homeless people are also the victims of drug crimes, where the problems arrive in the Quinte region carried by people who have homes far from our home. I'm Paul Martin, that's what I see, looking beyond the headlines. Weather in Quinte. Frost advisory in effect for the area. Sunny with a few clouds today, the high 12. Getting very chilly tonight, cloudy. Slight chance of rain and frost possible overnight below +1. Partly cloudy tomorrow, slight chance of rain in the afternoon, the high 12. Showers possible Saturday, more likely in the evening. Could be a soggy start to the weekend, the high 15. Cloudy Sunday, slight chance of rain again, and a high of 14. In Quinte, it's 4 degrees from the Inquinty.ca newsroom.